Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave coming to you today with a question that I was asked yesterday in the office by a patient. The question was, where should my LDL or bad cholesterol be? What is the ideal number? And on the surface, this seems like a really basic question, but the truth is it's incredibly complicated because we are not sure where our LDL should be. Now, let me give you an example. The average American's LDL is 130. Now, think about it. That's the average for a fairly obese, unhealthy population that the number one killer is heart disease. So is that really normal? Do we want to be normal? Do we want to be overweight and die from heart disease? Because that's what's going on in the United States. So my argument to my patient and to anybody watching is the quote-unquote normal values that your doctor talks to you about in the office probably are way too high. How do we know this? Where am I getting this from? Well, it's very interesting. Two surprising facts. Fact number one, 2/3 of patients presenting to the hospital with a heart attack have a quote-unquote normal LDL. Fact number two, when we look at newborn babies, pigs, monkeys, horses, hunter-gatherer population, these groups have an LDL of 35 to 50. That's right, newborn babies have very low LDLs and they're more metabolically active than an adult. So how do we accept that an LDL of 130 or even a little bit higher is quote-unquote normal? I think we need to have this discussion with our doctors. And like I tell all my patients, and I've said on this channel over and over again, cholesterol number by itself, to me, means nothing. You need to look at the artery because you may have high cholesterol and your arteries are clear of atherosclerosis or plaque buildup. And you may have quote-unquote normal cholesterol and your arteries are plugged up. So I always ask my patients, please get screening. Typically with a coronary calcium score and or a carotid ultrasound. And then we look at the cholesterol numbers and we decide where somebody's number should be. Okay, everybody, I hope that is somewhat clear. It is a very complicated issue, but remember, have this discussion with your doctor. You know, when your doctor tells you your cholesterol numbers are normal, you need to ask them, well, are you sure? You know, what is my artery age? What is my arterial age? Because you may be 50 years old, but your arterial age can be 80 years old. And that normal cholesterol may not just be normal. Okay, everybody, till next time, this is Dr. Dave.